We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Sneaker Balls odor-fighting shoe fresheners. These products are designed to eliminate unpleasant smells in sneakers, gym bags, lockers, and other gear. The Sneaker Balls come in a compact basketball shape, making them easy to fit inside most shoes and equipment bags. They offer adjustable scent control by twisting the balls to regulate the fragrance release, allowing users to customize the intensity from subtle freshness to stronger odor masking. The fresheners are durable and long-lasting, suitable for continuous use in various environments where odors tend to linger. Users appreciate the quality and scent of these deodorizer balls, noting that even after months of use, the scent remains effective. Many buyers have found them particularly useful for athletic shoes, especially basketball shoes, which can develop strong odors after practice or games. The product is praised for its ability to keep sports equipment and footwear smelling fresh, making it a practical choice for athletes and active individuals. The small, basketball-shaped design also helps remind users, especially younger ones, to place the fresheners in their shoes regularly. The Sneaker Balls are effective for enclosed footwear such as boots, sneakers, and slippers. However, they are not suitable for open footwear like flip-flops or sandals due to their design and size. While the scent is pleasant and not overpowering, some users note that the fresheners primarily mask odors rather than completely eliminating the bacteria that cause them. The fragrance is often compared to dryer sheets, and the adjustable holes allow for control over the scent output. A few users mention that the balls are small enough to pose a choking hazard, so caution is advised around children and pets. Despite this, the product is considered affordable and a convenient alternative to more expensive sprays or inserts. It fits easily into shoes without hassle and is suitable for various types of footwear, including running, soccer, climbing, and work shoes. Overall, the Sneaker Balls odor-fighting shoe fresheners receive high marks for their scent quality, ease of use, and versatility. They're highly recommended for anyone who wears shoes regularly and wants to maintain freshness in their footwear and gear. While they may not fully eradicate strong odors caused by bacteria, they provide a practical and enjoyable way to keep shoes smelling pleasant. If you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.